What I want people to know about this office is that we are committed to excellence. We have been able to create an environment where we have attracted wonderful staff that is very well trained. I mean, we have a wonderful hygiene staff, and I'm really proud of them. Dr. Kara Yu has joined us. She has won many awards. One of her favorite things to do is working on endodontics, doing root canals.
It's a pleasure to support and learn from such a master clinician like Dr. Merritt. Here at Dr. Merritt's office, we strive for high quality and perfection, and of course, we focus on our patients' overall well-being.
You know, it's one thing to have a lot of degrees and advanced certifications and all that type of thing, but it's nothing unless you have a great staff behind you, and I'm truly privileged to work with such wonderful professionals. We create a positive energy, and people can feel that as soon as they walk in the door. We create an environment where we have fun, so we can continue to enjoy dentistry and have fun doing it. If you're looking for an office that doesn't sacrifice on quality, that takes care of you to the nth degree, in a loving environment that you can actually feel the warmth, then come on by and see us. You'll be happy you did.